Sheesh. Look at this bad boy. Ball cocking and flowing. Yeah, the water's off. The shit's plugged with sediment. It ain't working, alright? I went through this so you don't have to. Anyway, we're gonna switch this out with the low fluid master. Change out the supply line with this super fucking long one I have. We're gonna leave that valve though. It's all good. Packing's been replaced. It's aight. Anyway, let's talk about something. You ever feel like maybe your plumber trying to get you? First thing I gotta say about that is, listen, if you don't got the knowledge, you're gonna have to pay. It takes years and years to get the knowledge and experience to be able to perform these jobs in a reasonable amount of time and to do it at a professional level. But that's not the case with all these companies. Some of these big guys will send some fucking dummy without a license to your house and just try to upsell you on everything. Like 40 estimates, high pressure. But now here's the kicker. You could do your research for free. Get a bunch of estimates. Look for a local shop. A master plumber might charge you $200 an hour for labor. And one of these big guys send someone who don't even know what they're doing over, might charge you $500 an hour for labor. But guess what? You sign that agreement, that's on you. Because you have to have a professional. But just make sure you're choosing the right professional.